Hello students, this is Semfano with Esha Academy, where we teach people in demand tech skills. Thank you for tuning into our channel, and we request that you subscribe, share and like and comment on our videos in order for us to keep on producing similar content. Thank you. Hello, in the previous video we have answered question 5. I hope you guys understood. If there is any questions that you have or anything that you didn't understand or anything that you want to add, please leave a comment. I'm going to respond to it as soon as possible. Please leave a comment, like and also subscribe to this channel so that we can continue creating these wonderful videos for you guys to understand Microsoft Office packages. Okay, thank you so much. I'm going to look at question number 6 of this question paper. We're still using the computer practice question paper for 2016 in November, so we are going to now look at question number 6. Okay, it says open a new document. I've already opened a new document here. Okay, this is what they want us to do to the document. They want us to, let me quickly zoom in a little bit. They want us to use font area times new element 12 point. Okay, so they also want our margins to be 1.27. We insert the details as we have done before. Okay, so we are going to quickly select everything, then choose times new element, font size 12 over there. Then I'm going to also do the layout for margins. Then I change my margins to 1.27. okay, I have changed my margins, I've changed my font and my font type, so, and my font size. So we are going to continue. We are saying that they say insert your question number, your examination number and computer number as instructed. So I'm quickly going to write question 6 here. It's question 6. If you take note here, when I'm in the footer, I'm using a different font with what I have in the main document. So it's wise for you to change your font back to Times New Roman when you are typing on the footer, so that you have got a uniform presentation of work. Then you press tab until you are at the end, then you type in your examination number and PC number. Okay, so this is how they have instructed us to do it. So you just get out of the footer, the header I mean, and then you go to the next question. Insert the following heading in letter size 18, capital letters, centered, computer viruses. Can I just copy quickly? I'm gonna quickly copy this heading. Programs designed to spread the up to here, right? Then I right click and copy this text. Okay, so the formatting for this text should be font size 18. Okay, and then it should be in capital letters, and then it should be centered. Okay, so this is what I'm going to insert quickly. I'm quickly going to paste it in and just make it a little bit. Unfortunately, you're supposed to type it because you won't be having a soft copy of it. Okay, so they said 18 over here. Then let me check again. Centered, capital letters. Okay, I'm gonna change the case to uppercase. For capital letters, I'm gonna click on center to center it. So that is our heading. Okay, that is our heading. It should be in Arial. Okay, yes, it is in Arial. And then you have to take note that they said in the document you use this one, but this text they want it in Arial. No, it's not. It's supposed to be in Arial. Where do I find Arial? Capital letters, centered. Okay, it should be in Times New Roman. Okay, so make sure that if you have it in Arial, you change it to Times. Right, so then we move on to the next thing. We left a line, we bring down our font size to 12 again. Let's see the next. Leave 2 lines and key in the text. Table of contents in capital letters, bold, left aligned. Page number in capital letters, bold, right aligned. Use letter size 18 for this heading. Leave 2 lines and insert a page break. Okay, So I'm going to type in table of contents, okay, in capital letters, table of contents, and page number to the right. Okay, so this should be in size 18. Okay, what else? Size 18, that one right aligned, left aligned, bold. They should be in bold. Okay, right, it should be in bold, so we embolden them by clicking over there. So you see page number is moving to the next page. So we have got something like that. The question said leave 2 lines, so we left 1 line. We need to leave 2 lines there. So I'm gonna go back to leave 2 lines like that. You have 2 open lines there, as you can see. Okay, now I'm gonna go on and also reduce my font so that I've got a normal sized work. Okay, and then that's it. Page 2. So we have to insert a page break. They said leave 2 lines and insert a page break. I'm gonna press and hold Control, then press Enter on the keyboard. Then it's gonna go to the next page, as you can see. If you want to see if you have inserted, you can turn on that formatting tool. Okay, it says show hide, so you can see that there are 2 lines that are left, 2 lines that are left. There's a page break there. Okay, then I can go to the next page where I want to deal with the next instructions. Leave 2 lines. Okay, in page 2, we're in page 2. Insert the following file, Q5 manual. So we need to insert the text from this file that we saved previously. Okay, delete all the text from the heading top computer symptoms checklist. So we don't want anything from this one going down, so we are going to simply copy only that one. Okay, let's go back to our folder. We need this file, and then we are going to select everything. They say they want us to select everything, and except for top, or let me just quickly select everything and then copy. I've copied by pressing Ctrl and C. I don't think this one will be needed, so I'm quickly going to paste it in. Quickly going to paste it in there. When I paste, I want to maintain my destination formatting. Okay, it's fine. Let me just merge. Oops. No. Let me maintain my source formatting like that, because it's in Times New Roman. All right, and then I've copied it. What is it that they want us to delete from top computer checklist? Let's look for it. Here is top computer checklist. From here going down, I'm going to delete that. Highlight it, then you press on delete. Okay, then I've actually 3 pages with content. Now let's check the next question. Insert page breaks at the following places: before paragraph 2, before paragraph 3, after paragraph 3. Okay, I'm sure they came with their page breaks, because they had page breaks at the previous file. As you can see, we have a page break here. This is our paragraph 2. We have a page break here. Okay, there it is. It's a section break. Okay, let me just make it a page break. Control and hold, press enter. It's a page break now. Okay, at the top, and then we move here again. We need a page break. I remove that section break, then press enter with control. I have a page break, as you can see. And then after this one, we also need another page break. Okay, so that we have a blank last page. As you can see, this is what they wanted us to do. Now delete all. Where am I? Insert page breaks in the following: before paragraph 2, before paragraph 3, after paragraph 3. Okay, So before insert page numbers bottom centered, make sure that the Q5 malware starts on page 4. Okay, we are going to insert page numbers. Now you click on insert, then you look for page numbers. Here is page numbers. Okay, they said bottom, you select bottom over there. Then they said centered, you select center, then you click on OK. You will notice that our page numbers have been inserted. However, they said from this page, from this page, they should start from page 4, but it starts from page 2. Why? Because we have got another page at the top, that is our table of contents page. It has page numbers, so we want this page numbers to start from 4. So you can come and click here where you have your footer next to your number there, then you go to page numbers over there, and then you click, then you select format page numbers. When you select format page numbers, you can say start at 3, because we want the first page to be page 3. Okay, then you click on OK. When you say start on 3, you will notice that the first page is page 3. Okay, so then this page, they said it should be page 4, so it's now page 4. Okay, I hope you got that. Now you don't want any pages for the first page. They said make sure that you don't have page numbers on the first page, so you just click on the different from first page. Okay, then you tick that checkbox. You will notice that the page number on the first page goes away. Make sure that you, when you are under page numbers and on the footer, you will see this header and footer tools. That is where you're going to find different from first page. Okay, now we have our page numbers starting with 4, but we need these page numbers to be the same format with our text. So I'm going to select Times New Roman 12 so that I am uniform. Okay, now I close my header and footer by clicking anywhere inside the document. We have our page numbers, as you can see. They continue up to page 7. Okay, let's continue to the next question. Manipulation of the first page. So we're going to look at the first page. We're going to manipulate the table of contents page. Suppress the display of the page number on this page. So I have done that, where I said different from first page, it will move to the page numbers from the first page. Now we're going to say leave 2 lines after the heading table of contents, right? Then mark the following headings for the table of contents. In order for you to automatically insert a table of content, because this is what they want us to do, you need to have headings for some content in your document. So if you do not have headings in your document, you are not going to be able to automatically insert your table of contents. So let me quickly insert the table of contents without using the heading so that you see what happens. Okay, so they said leave 2 lines here. We are going to generate the table of contents. We go to reference in order to generate the table of contents. Then you come here, table of contents, then you select the type of table of contents that you want. If I choose this one, you will notice that creating a table of contents starts by applying a heading style from styles gallery to the selected text. So you will notice that if you do not have, you won't have any entries in your table of contents, because you will not have selected you have not yet applied the heading. So let me show you how to apply the headings, okay, before we start. So now the first thing, these ones are supposed to be heading 1. Okay, heading style 1, we're going to use it for all these ones that have the main level, the level 1 paragraphs. They are going to have heading 1. Okay, so I'm quickly going to select all of them. I highlight the first one. Okay, then I press Ctrl and hold, then I select the other one so that I don't deselect, right? Then I select all 3 of them. I've selected all 3 of them. I want to apply the first heading. This is the first heading that I'm going to apply, heading 1. So they are now all headings 1. So I'm going to just go back to our font that we have, so that we have our uniform font, and also the color must be automatic as it was. Okay, and they must also be bold. Okay, so when they are like that, I have applied the headings. I want to show you now that you can have a table of contents because you now have the headings. Unfortunately, it has also removed our page number our numbers for our paragraphs. Okay, so let me just return my number as well. Okay, there you go. As you can see, I'm quickly going to also insert number 2 for this one. I'm also going to insert number 3 for this one. Okay, so now if you check it out, I'm going to insert a table of contents, right? I'm going to just be updating it, then insert a table of contents, references, then table of contents. I want to select this one. Okay, you can see now those that had the headings are appear. All those that don't have headings are not appearing. I'm going to be updating it as we move. Okay, so now they said the font we are supposed to use Rockwell. Let me see. They said where am I? Table of contents here, right? Mark the following. We have to mark paragraph 1. Okay, the first paragraph of level 1. Okay, 2 and 3, and the first line of 4. All right, so we have level 1, right? We are going to take then paragraph 2. That deals with paragraph 1, that says the most common different forms. So we are going to select the first paragraph of level 1, the first paragraph of level 2, the first paragraph of level 3, and the first line of level 4. Okay, so we have our levels here. This is level 1. Okay, we have taken that one. This is level 2. We are going to take this one as well. So we're going to apply heading 2 on that one, right? Apply heading 2. Let's change our formatting again to go back to where it was. Okay, I guess this was 14 because it's malware and it must be in bold. Okay, so and then we're going to use our, this was level 1 again. Okay, then we have added a heading for that one. That's now heading style 2, right? Then they said, let's check again, level 2. Okay, that was level 2. Now level 3 also we must have the first one, so we're going to take this one, we apply a heading. So we're going to apply heading 3 for that one. Then we go back, we change the styling back to where it was. This one wasn't bold, so I'm quickly going to add my numbering. So it has actually added my numbering. Okay, and it also has a heading over there. Okay, then level 3, this is level 3. Okay, we have got, they said the first paragraph of level 1, level 2, this is the first paragraph of level 1, this is the first paragraph of level 2, this is the first paragraph of level 3, this is the first line of level 4. This is level 4. So we also add the heading. So I'm going to select heading 4 over there, and then I'm going to change also the formatting to where it was, Times New Roman and italicize. Okay, now we're going to make it 1.1.2.1 point. Then you press enter, and then this one also, it needs to be formatted according to what it was. Okay, you just turn this off so that you don't get confused, right? That is it. So we have added our for paragraph 1. Okay, so let's go back up. I want to click here and click on update table. Then I'm going to say update entire table. Then I click on OK. You will notice that it has added the stuff that was not there. Okay, we now have the contents that was not there. Unfortunately there is one thing missing. We need level 4 here. It's not there. Okay, so let me quickly check why it's not there. Level 4 for paragraph 1. This is our level 4, and it is a heading. Is it there? Should be there because it's heading 4. I don't know why it's not appearing. Let's continue. We are going to check it later. Okay. Okay, let me do it again. We said we want it to be heading style 4, right? Then we change our font and our color. And then 1.1.2.1 point. Then we press enter. Now we have it like that. Okay, it's not supposed to be in italics. We unitalicize it. Okay, then we go back to our table of contents. Let's update it again. I wonder why it's not showing. Let's continue. We're going to check later. Maybe it's gonna appear, but it should appear. Now the next thing, what is the next question? Paragraph 2. We need level 1 heading. Okay, and the third paragraph of level 2. Okay, we need the third paragraph of level 2, that is in paragraph 2. This is paragraph 1. This is our paragraph 2. We need this one. It's already there. Then we also need the third paragraph of level 2. This is level 2, first paragraph, second paragraph, then third paragraph. We select the third paragraph, then we apply the level 2 heading, the heading style 2, because we are in level 2. We apply that one, then we change back to our 12 Arial font. Okay, and then this one is supposed to be 14. Okay, then we go back, we add our 2.3 point and space. Right, now we have another heading. Let's see what it does. Okay, go back to your table of contents, you click over there, you update your entire table. When you update your entire table, it adds that paragraph as well. Okay, then let's check the next one. Paragraph 3, level 1 heading, and the first, third, and fifth paragraphs of level 2. Okay, level 1 heading is already there. We now want the first, third, and fifth. Okay, now we go there. Where is our document? Is this one? Now we go there. Paragraph 3. This is 2. Paragraph 3. This is paragraph 3. We already have level 1. Then they said the first. This is the first. This is our level 2 paragraphs. So this is the first paragraph. We are going to change it to a level 2 heading. Okay, I'm going to quickly change that one at once. Then we need also the third one. We need the third one. 1, 2, 3. The third one is this one, because the other one doesn't have numbers. 4, 4, 5. This is the fifth one. There you go. So I'm quickly going to select all of them at once. I make them black or automatic times 12. Okay, I'm going to change this one to 14 size. Okay, and then now I'm going to make this one 3.1 point. Okay, then press enter, it automatically updates. Okay, this one to 3.3 point, press enter, it automatically updates. This one to 3 5 point automatically updates. So they all have headings. So now let's go back and update our table of contents. Update table, entire table. There you go. So it's gonna have only those that we have actually highlighted. Now there is one thing that is missing here. I don't understand why it's not there. Let's go back and verify and troubleshoot. Now we are here. We needed this one to show, okay, but it's not showing. Let me see if what level did we put? We put level 4 for it. This one, what level did we put? There's nothing. This one, we put level 3 for it. Okay, so style 4 doesn't seem to be working. Let me try style 3 and see what happens. Okay, black and times. There you go. Then we say, let me quickly just copy this one here. Right, I put style 3. Let me see if I update it. Entire table, it now appears. Okay, let me take it back to style 4. Style 4, auto 12 and types. Okay, and then I'm gonna just take this one and paint it over there, and then press my tab. Okay, that's it. Right, it goes back to style 3. Okay, never mind. Okay, so we are going to leave it there. There is our table of contents. I'm sure we are given a proper another font. Generate the table of contents using Rockwell 10. Okay, page numbers must be aligned with the letter dots. Okay, so we need to use Rockwell 10 for this table of contents. We select the table of contents, and then we select Rockwell. We select font size 10 over there, and then we have to remove this table of contents because we already have it. Okay, there we are. That is our table of contents. It has been automatically generated. Okay, let's continue. Oops, we haven't saved our work. Okay, let's continue before we save. Page numbers must be right aligned. We've done that manipulation of the last page. Now we have to go to the last page. Key in the index, the text index in capital letters, bold, left aligned, and page number in capital letters, bold, and right aligned. Use letter size 18 for these headings. Okay, so in the last page we need to put the index page. In the last page, this is our last page, page 7. So we are supposed to key in index and page number. Okay, then we need to use 18. Okay, now we have actually keyed in the headings. They say to leave 2 lines after these headings. I have left my 2 lines. Then they say leave 2 lines, generate the index with the following words. Okay, malware, virus, marks, web, Microsoft, Trojan horse. Page numbers must be right aligned with the letter dots. Use 2 columns. Okay, so this is what we are going to do now. Right, we are here. We have left our 2 lines. Okay, then we are going to go back to references. Right, we want to insert an index, but before we insert an index, we need to mark entries. Okay, entries are the words that are given here that are supposed to appear in our index. Are we together? Okay, So now the words that are supposed to appear in our index are these ones. We look for malware. Wherever we find malware, let me just select it from anywhere. Then I'm gonna say mark entry. Okay, then oopsie. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at current page. Then I'm gonna leave it like that because I want it to mark all the malware words in this document. So I'm going to click on mark all. Okay, it has marked all of the malware document index. Okay, I'm going to highlight the next word. Now let's check. The next word is virus. Okay, let's look for the word virus in our document. If we don't find it, we can quickly go and say find. Then we type in viruses. Right, we found one, only one. We found only one viruses. Viruses or virus. Let me confirm. It says virus, so we only want virus, not viruses. Okay, so we're quickly going to mark virus. Click there. See, it selects it. Then you say mark all. Right, then we move on. We look for the next word. The next word is max. Okay, let's look for max. For MacBook. Okay, max for MacBook. I wonder why it's marking it on the table of contents. There it is. So we select it again, then you click there to update that one, then you mark all. Then the next word is worm. Okay, worm. We are looking for worm. Okay, let's remove that one there and type in and type in worm. It's quickly gonna search it for you. It found 4 entries of worm. Here they are. I want this lowercase one. Okay, then mark all. Then you look for the other word. The other word is Microsoft and Trojan horse. Okay, let's look for Microsoft now. Microsoft. There is Microsoft. There is Microsoft. You select it, then you click there in your main entry, then you mark all. Okay, then the next one is Trojan horse. The next one is Trojan. We have Trojan horse over there. Let's select it. Trojan horse. Then you click there. Then you say mark all. Now we're done marking our entries. Okay, we go to our index page. This is our index page. They said insert little lines, blah blah blah. Insert page numbers must be aligned. So now we're going to insert our index. Okay, go back to reference over there. Then you click on insert index. You are given this dialog box. Then you say right align page numbers according to the instructions. Remember, the instructions said page numbers must be right aligned with the letter dots. Use 2 columns. You can see that letter dots, there you are. You can choose the dots that you want. You are cool with these ones. Then they say columns, use 2 columns. Okay, then after that you click on OK. When you click on OK, it's going to show an index of all the text that we were selecting. It shows us where the text is found in the document, as you can see. Okay, now we are in 2 columns, column 1 and column 2. We have all this, the location of this text. Okay, the next thing, save the document as Q6 index, print only page 1, the table of contents page from page 2 page 2, and the last page. Page 1, page 2, and the last page. Place the printouts in your examination folder. So when you print, you should be able to print only the pages that you have. Okay, so this is what we were doing. Let me see if okay, everything looks good. Then we save our work. We save it as Q. It says Q6 index. I guess save the document as Q6 index. So this is how we ought to save the document. Then you click on save. Thank you for watching, guys. This is the end of question number 6. So we are going to continue with question 7 as we continue with our revision. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment whenever you need anything that you want me to add. Don't forget also to click on the bell button so that I can continue creating these videos for you. Then you will be notified whenever I post new content. Thank you very much. Goodbye.